Hello educators, in this video I'll be showing you how to make use of student attendance on AiTeacha platform. Student attendance helps schools to track the number of times students attend class and also the number of times they are absent in school. First of all, you are going to continue as a school. If you are a school owner, you put in your details, your email address and your password, then you log in. This is how AiTeacha dashboard looks like. Then you come here, you click on the school features, you scroll down, you click on the admin control, then you click on the term period. You have to do this in order for you to get the attendance summaries, for you to know the number of times your students attend class and the number of times they are absent. Then you put in the time description. For example, let's say third term. Then you put in the resumption date. Let's say you resumed May 4, then you are closing July 31st. Then you save your term period. Our term period has been saved successfully. Then you go back, you click on attendance. So first of all, you must have uploaded your student on this platform. There's a video for that. Then you click in, do you want to mark attendance for grade 2? Then you come here, grade 2. Now this is the student's name under grade 2 here. So if you have 10 students, it's going to show all the 10 students here. Then on Monday, the child was present. Then on Tuesday, the child was absent. On Wednesday, the child was present. Then you save your. On Thursday, the child was present. On Friday, the child was absent. And also, if that child has been around for the whole week, you can mark all present by clicking here. Or if that child has been absent for a whole week, you can click mark all absent. Then you save your attendance. The attendance has been saved successfully. You come to the attendance summary. Now can you see total school days 65, days present 3, days absent 22, the attendance rate 12%. With this, you'll be able to know a child that needs concern or urgent attention. Don't forget to sign up on AiTeacha platform to see how this tool works. See you in the next video. Thank you.